Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to be making this sewing folio, the Shabby Chic Sewing Folio. Here are the final pieces. This one is an easy folio, so you can find it under the easy folio series, where I have a lot of other folios that you can make it very easily, and it's very simple to make them. It's got like 5 to 6 papers that you get to print out, and the assembling is just really easy. I've printed all of these on 170 GSM paper, and I've also printed on the back of all of these papers. So for the assembling, I'm just going to start folding along these lines. Now this is the main panel, and inside of this main panel I want to attach this flap along over here, and this one I am going to use the bottom one as a pocket and fold in accordion style, and I will make that 2 flaps as a pocket again. This one I'm going to glue along the 2 sides, and that will be a side pocket. So this is the idea that I have. So now I'm just going to go ahead and go through my sewing machine and stitch. Since it's a sewing folio, I thought I should use my sewing machine here. So I've just gone through and stitched over this side, and I've made a pocket already. This is the pocket. So that's the panel A, or the front of the folio, and I am going to glue this one as a top pocket. So I'm just going to add glue to 3 sides, and I will stick this to the main panel. So I already have like 2 pockets over here, a top pocket and a side pocket. And this one I'm just going to glue the blank part. I'm just going to use that part and glue it to the right side of the folio. So we already have a pocket over here. And that's the assembly. Now I am going to add additional pockets onto this folio. Onto the back of the folio I am adding this particular pocket. And onto this flap, this kind of a narrow pocket, I'm going to stick this one onto the flap. And this lace trim pocket, I'm going to add it over here. And there you have it. We have added pockets and also we have added all the flaps. Now let's move on to decorating this folio. I've included like cute little fussy cuts and labels. I'm just going to use them and add it to the folio. I'm also going to use like mesh fabric and decorate the folio. I'm just going to go ahead and add all the ephemera and the tags that are included in this folio. So for this particular buttons tag that you see over here, I'm going to add an eyelet and add a rope so that once it fits into the pocket, I can remove it easily. So I'm just going to add a rope over here. There you go, and it's now much more easier to remove the tag from inside the pocket. And I have this particular tab that I'm just going to add it to this larger ephemera. I have this lace, so I'm just going to add it as a decoration to the front of the folio. I'm just going to stick it, and we are done with the entire folio. And here is the final reveal of this shabby chic sewing folio This folio is part of the Easy Folio series. You can check out the link that will be included in the description below. I will also include other collections that is included in this Shabby Chic sewing collection. You can follow me on Instagram for updates. You can also join the newsletter if you are not already there to get updates about new products, sales and such. I will see you soon in another video. Take care and bye bye.